She is very friendly, aims to become a teacher. Encourage our students with a big round of applause. Please give them, and your applause are blessings to our students. I request all the parents to please give a big round of applause to our students. Also, Nehan Shnanda. Gopalakrishna Garu and Lavanya Garu. Son of Mr. and Mrs. P. Ashok Garu and Yamini Garu. She is a very thoughtful girl. And give it up for Purvika, and she is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Balaji Garu and Pavitra Garu. He is very sweet and he wants to become a doctor. Tarukesh, son of Aparna Garu. He is very sweet and he wants to become a doctor. And here we have Vinisha. Baji Garu and Shabnam Garu. Daughter of Satyanarayana Garu and Anusha Garu. Avanya Garu. Little graduates here.
Public school would play that if we be loyal to our family and society, ready to do everything to make our country strong, ready to do work strong and so honesty. Thank you.
Hip hip! And give it up. Nursery has won. And the third place goes to T. Meghana. T. Meghana from Nursery has this competition. Congratulations. And here we go with S.B. Ashrita from LKG R section won the first place and the second place in fancy dress competition. V. Mukundram from LKG R section has won the third place in fancy dress competition. The first place goes to CH Adyasri. CH Adyasri from LKG R1 section has won the first place in fancy dress competition. M. Nagalokesh from LKG R1 section has won the second place in fancy dress competition. The R1 section has won the third place in fancy dress competition. competition. To all the prize winners, and now here we go with the other category. Has won the first place in rhymes competition. Please give them a big round of applause, parents. R. Subramaniam from LKG R section has won the second place in rhymes competition. And here comes the LKG R1 section has won the first place in rhymes competition. The second place goes to in rhymes competition. From LKG R1 section has won the third place in rhymes competition. I request all the parents to please give a big round of applause to all our prize winners. From LKG R section, the first prize goes to A. Alia. A. Alia from LKG R section has won the first place in clay molding competition. A. Rahman. A. Rahman from LKG R section has won the second place in clay molding competition. LKG R section has won the third place in clay molding competition. And here are the winners of LKG R1 section. LKG R1 section has won the first place in clay molding competition. The R1 section has won the second place in clay molding competition. B. Vancy from LKG R1 section has won the third place in clay molding competition. It will indeed go down in the history of RBPS. And here we go with the second set of convocation ceremony. The first one, P. Ragamanohar. P. Ragamanohar is very polite and he wants to become an engineer. P. Ragamanohar is the son of Mr. and Mrs. P. Trinath and P. Prasanna Garu. Shrikant Garu and Lalita Garu. Is the daughter of S. Shrikant Garu and Lalita Garu. A doctor. Ashwin Krishna is the son of Mr. and Mrs. G. Narayan Rao Garu and G. Vijayalakshmi Garu. And she wants to become a dancer. Jashwita, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mani and Swati Garu. He wanted to become a scientist. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. A. Surendra and Sirisha Garu. She wanted to become a police officer. Aksa, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rafi and Shakila Garu. Manoj, he is very thoughtful person and he wanted to become a soldier. Manoj, son of G. Lingaya and Rajeshwari Garu. Thoughtful person and she wanted to become a soldier. Rizwana, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ismail and Chandini Garu. Bhargav, son of Mr. and Mrs. Lingaya and Rajeshwari Garu. She is very dynamic and she wanted to become an IAS officer. Akshara is the daughter of Narendra and Vani Garu. Rishit is very clever and he wants to become an engineer. Rishit Kumar is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Raju and Harini Garu. Kaushik is very honest and he wanted to become a doctor. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Ranga and Susila Garu. And son of Ajay Kumar Garu and Sri Harsha Garu. Congratulations to all our young graduates. As they were celebrating their success, please give them a big round of applause. And here we go for the convocation pledge.
We are the Janitas of Chandravati Public School. We pledge that we will be loyal to our family and society. We pledge to do everything to make our country strong. We pledge to work hard and serve honestly. Thank you.
As they celebrate Ashwant. B. Lokshita from first class R section has won the second place in fancy dress competition. Sai from first class R1 section has won the first place in fancy dress competition. MD Suhail from first class R1 section has won the second place in fancy dress competition. The third prize goes to B. Srimant. Winners of fancy dress competition. Abhinandan Sai has won the second place in fancy dress competition. Storytelling. The first prize for storytelling competition. The clay molding competition from UKG has won the second place in clay molding competition. Rishit Kumar. J. Rishit Kumar from UKG has won the third place in clay molding competition. Thank you, sir. Kindly come upon the stage to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. P. Krishnamohan Garu, with a bouquet. The second place goes to Jashwita. Jashwita from second class R section is in fancy dress competition.
Before proceeding with this show,
And the third place has won the third place in second class in fancy dress competition. N. Tanvita from second class R1 section has won the first place in fancy dress competition. Dhruva from second class R1 section has won the second place in fancy dress competition. Gagan from second class R1 section has won the third place in fancy dress competition. And next week, second class R section has won the first place in storytelling competition. From second class R section has won the third place in storytelling competition. Has won the third place in storytelling competition. Nitya from second class R1 section has won the first place in storytelling competition. Second place goes to class R1 section has won the second place in storytelling competition. Class R1 section has won the third place in storytelling competition. And here we go for the next category, Best Out of Waste competition. For second class art is in Best Out of Waste making competition. P. Shalini from second class R section has won the second place in Best Out of Waste making competition. Neha from second class R section has won the third prize in Best Out of Waste making competition. And here are the winners of second class R1 section for Best Out of Waste making competition. Anati from second class R1 section has won the first place in Best Out of Waste making competition. The second place section has won the second place in Best Out of Waste making competition. Karthik from second class R1 section has won the third place in Best Out of Waste making competition. R section has won the second place in storytelling competition. V. Joshno. N. Pavan Kartikeya from first class R section has won the third place in storytelling competition. Rahul from first class R1 section has won the first place in storytelling competition. Section has won the third place in storytelling competition. D. Mokshajna from first class R section has won the first place in greeting card making competition. The second ship from first class R section has won the second place in greeting card making competition. In greeting card making competition. And next come the winners of from first class R1 section has won the first place in greeting card making competition. Prasuna from first class R1 section has won the second place in greeting card making competition. From first class R1 section has won the third place in greeting card making competition.
And this will surely encourage us in all our future endeavors. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us new path. And I want to appreciate our John Lynch sir.